Welcome back. In this video, we're making a pumpkin spice lava cake. Into a large bowl, 1 cup of white chocolate, and a half cup of unsalted butter. Melt in the microwave about 60 seconds. Whisk until no chunks remain, then add 2 full eggs, 3 egg yolks, 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, and there's your wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients, 3/4 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Mix until thoroughly combined, pour the batter into greased ramekins, bake at 425 degrees for 17 to 18 minutes. Invert onto a serving plate, slowly remove the ramekin, dust with powdered sugar, and there we have it, a pumpkin spice lava cake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.